Electroconvulsive shock therapy. Still used, yes, still used for the treatment of depression. It is 150 volts of electricity through your brain for a very brief moment. The idea is that 150 volts of electricity will induce a seizure that will hopefully forever alter your brain makeup of your brain. That's the hope. This should be, there are a few things that should have to happen before someone decides to have ECT. The few things that should have had to have happened would be that the person has suffered from depression for probably decades. They have tried all other medication and therapy, and they probably have suicidal thoughts. All of those things should have happened. Does it work? Oh, yeah, I think you'll see in the textbook there's a picture of a person about time to go ECT, and they've got like, remember when you went to the dentist? No, sorry, mouth guard. I was going to say, remember when you went to the dentist and they would give you fluoride and they put that thing in your mouth and you slobber all over the place? But forget that one. That's it's been a while since I've had that done at the dentist. So think about a mouth guard. You put like a mouth guard in when you're about to have ECT. What's the reasoning for that mouth guard? 150 volts of electricity about to go through your brain could very well bite your tongue off. Okay, so that's the reason for the mouth guard. Does it work? Back away. Does it work? Well, again, it depends on what your definition of work is. If your definition of work or improvement is, does it help bring the suicidal person back off the brink? Maybe it does. Does it help them immediately for the short term? Probably. Yeah, but remember this person that's doing this properly dosed harder drugs. What do you mean by harder drugs? Illegal or legal? Because you can't really properly dose illegal drugs. Well, actually, you know what? And in the foreseeable future, not even the foreseeable future, some form of cannabis right now, right? That's because I don't see a foreseeable future where we have heroin or ecstasy or anything like that. Yeah, but you have to remember about tolerance and withdrawal symptoms and all that kind of stuff as well. And perhaps they do, yes. And then at what point, what? Well, keeping in mind that at some point in time, the physician will probably say enough is enough, right? You can only undergo so many treatments of this kind of stuff before that's the end. I would suggest actually, I don't know, I wish we had more research about more actual Western-based scientific research about cannabis oil, for instance, right now, because you can see on Facebook people say, oh, it improves this, that, and everything else, right? It's like this miracle drug or something, and it takes the pain away. Now, is it going to help with this kind of stuff? So is another question. But so that might be where we're headed, right? It might very well. We need to make it easier to get a hold of some of this kind of stuff. Get the physicians, pharmacists, all that kind of stuff on board. It very well could be the miracle, quote unquote, miracle drug that because there's a lot of money in the drug industry, in the pharmacy, right? If you continue on with that just a little bit, if you look at the founders and the CEOs of the big pharmaceutical companies, they're all billionaires, all of them, every one of them, right? One of them owns the Ottawa Senators. One of them owns the Edmonton Oilers. One of them was just, him and his wife were probably murdered a year and a bit ago in Toronto in their mansion, right? These are pharmaceutical founders and CEOs, billionaires. All of those three are all billionaires. We need ourselves, this is going to turn political here, folks. We need ourselves a national pharmacare policy. That's what we need, right? We need OHIP+++. And Devin is rolling his eyes at me for some reason.